Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the central lockings, also known as power door locks, guys, on Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you're trying to find that and you have problems with the central locking not working, power door locks not working, guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Central locking, power door locks, guys, come to show which fuses and relays we need to check. We are going to demonstrate on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Depending on the year model, you will have two different types of fuse boxes and we'll cover both. First, guys, okay, we need to open the hood. Facing the engine on the left side of your Jeep Grand Cherokee is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for year model 2014 to 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is for year model 2011 to 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And here, guys, we need to check two fuses. We're talking first about fuse number M26. Do you see that fuse right here? That's the one that we will, guys, need to check, M26. After that, we need to check another fuse, and we're talking about M38. Guys, M38 is this fuse right here. This is M38. Check that one too. Now, guys, we're not done. For 2014 to 2022 model, we will need to check two fuses specifically. And we're talking about fuse number F12, this big fuse right here, and fuse number CB1 right here will need to be checked too. These are the main fuses. The relay function practically is controlled most likely by the BCM because you don't have a relay. So if you still have problems with the central locking, power door locks, fuses are good. Check fuses and relays for the BCM module as well. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.